Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to block emails on Gmail. So if you've got someone sending emails to you and you don't want to receive emails from them, there is a way to block them. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, we need to come across to our Gmail. And once that's loaded through, you need to find the message that you was looking to block. So the sender that you're looking to block. So I'm just going to go ahead in this example and click onto this one here from EA. And what you need to do is in the top right hand corner, you'll see the three dots here, which says more. Go ahead and give that a click. And if you scroll down slightly, you will see a option to block, and it says block EA. So if you give that a click, it's going to say future messages from this email address EA will be marked as spam. Go ahead and click block. And you can see that's now blocked EA.com. So any messages they send to me in the future will just go straight to my spam folder and block them from coming through. If you have made a mistake or you want to unblock the sender, all you need to do is literally click onto one of the messages from the sender, so EA in my case, and you'll see this box will be here, and you just go ahead and click onto unblock sender, and it's just going to come up with a quick confirmation saying that messages from EA.com will now appear in your inbox. So you just go ahead and click the blue unblock button. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutors channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.